Yet another recap, and a lot happened in the past few days. There is a new Hive update, a Hive YouTuber went missing, there is a new Hive team member, and there is a weird block drop glitch. Starting off though, there is a new Capture the Flag map called Campsite, along with some developer notes. In addition to more maps, they are currently working on a balance patch to address spawn camping, how flags are contested, and they will be tweaking some items and upgrades. I don't know about you, but personally, I feel like the fact that you have to wait to return your flag until you have both flags is sort of annoying in Capture the Flag, so I hope that they do end up fixing that. But moving on, the Hive YouTuber Yaraboy has gone missing. He has not uploaded in over 3 months, and he has appeared offline on Discord for the past 3 months as well. Hopefully he returns soon, but on to some better news. The Hive added a new QA tester, Eham, and for those of you who don't know, QA testers test new features and game modes to make sure that they work well. But on to milestones. Corruption hit 2k, and finally there's a weird glitch in block drop the other day where power-ups would end up spawning outside of the playing area. I think that's fixed now, but anyway, that's all. See ya.